Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a professional resume website in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, go to the official WordPress website, click on the login button, and sign in with your Google account to quickly access your dashboard. From there, click on the pages section over here and click on the add page so you can make a new page exclusively for your resume. Then I would like you to write a simple title like my resume, but it could be anything you like. Okay. So anything catchy works. Then you can easily write a short introduction about yourself, like your background, skills, and passions. Once done, you can click on the plus icon over here to upload an image. So we can use the image block over here. Okay. For example, you can add like a professional headshot to further personalize the page. So you can quickly drag this over here, and then you can upload any images that will make this pop up. Okay, and then you can also go over here again and type in the block for the file, so you can attach like PDFs, Words, or Excels, so your visitors or clients can easily download them in your website. And once done, make sure to hit save or publish over here to make your resume website live. And that's it. You have now just built a resume website where you can share your resume with employers or collaborators. I hope you found this video very helpful.